From cell phones to electric vehicles to microgrid systems, batteries today power an increasing range of devices, equipment, and tools. As applications become more sophisticated, developers will need to create new cell, pack, and module battery technology with increased performance. Laboratories and manufacturers require equipment that can stay ahead of advancements in the batteries they are testing and producing. In order to accomplish this, developers require equipment capable of automatically capturing large amounts of test data quickly and accurately. Additionally, equipment must be easy to operate and flexible to accommodate ever-changing testing demands. This is where Bitrode comes in. Bitrode's mission is to provide manufacturers, laboratories, and OEMs with the most user-friendly and reliable test equipment. The majority of test equipment we design is built and configured to the specific needs of our customers. Established in 1957 and headquartered in St. Louis, Missouri, Bitrode Corporation is a global supplier of battery production, charging, and test systems, as well as laboratory testing systems for power storage applications. A privately owned American manufacturer with sales and service locations worldwide, Bitrode's dedicated team works with battery manufacturers to increase capabilities of lead-acid batteries and the newer advanced chemistry batteries for longer life, higher functionality, and lower costs.